everyone, welcome back to DataNests, and this is episode 2 of our Excel Mastery series from basics to advanced. In the previous video, we have learned about Excel's interface and how to enter and format data. Today, we will move one step further, learning basics formula and cell references, the real power behind Excel. Let's start with basics. Every formula in Excel starts with equal sign, like here itself in the formula 1 just go with equal to, and if you want to do sum, let me just write to 10 plus 20, then press enter. Here it is. But instead of like typing manually and going again and again 10 plus 2, we can use cell reference. Like, let's populate the b1, b equal to 10, c equal to 20. So I want to do the sum of this one. So in this one we can go with this comma and select. Now enter. It would automatically give us the sum. So what the main advantage of using cell reference is, basically it makes our Excel more dynamic. Like here, if instead of 10 we want to change it, no, I want 20. So it will automatically change. And we do not have to like go again and again and complete this one. Okay, so this is why we use cell reference. Now let's talk about some basic and most used formula we will apply everywhere. Okay, so let's go on to the C one. So most basic would be the sum. So sum would be is equal to sum tab, and then we will select our required range. Enter. This will provide the sum. Apart from that, we will be using average tab, and then select the range. Enter. Then we will be using min. Min would provide the minimum value from a given range. So just select the min. So here 38 is 38,500. Salary is the minimum salary. Same goes with max. So select the max salary range. Enter. This is the maximum a person is getting as a salary. Okay. So now we are going to use count. Count basically gives us the number of persons here itself in the salary, or employee ID we can use, but all of them. So that does not matter. So 10 is the count basically, like how many persons are there. Now let's talk about cell reference, one of the most misunderstood but important topic. So cell reference is basically of three types. One is relative reference, second absolute reference, and third is mixed reference. Relative reference is basically, see, if we are like referencing this one itself directly, here is equal to just a simple. This is relative reference, A1 and all. Absolute reference is when we are using this one. But here's dollar sign. This means we are freezing that one. We cannot make any change in all here itself. Okay. If we like want to copy here, paste here, it will not change. But if in this case, in this case A1, if we drag down, it will change according to the cell number, column wise, row wise, it will change. But this will not change. This is basically absolute reference. It will not. It will be always same. Wherever if we are like moving in column wise also, same thing happens. Okay. In this one, if we are moving anywhere, it will automatically shift. See, just like this. And the third one is a mixed reference. Mixed reference means one should be freeze one should be open one. So let's go with first. Our row should be freeze and column should be open. So here it is. If we try to move it downward like row wise, row would be always same. Zero one is always same. It is not changing. But if we move column wise, it would change. Instead of A, here it would be B. Here it would be C. Here it would be D. Okay. So now here itself, if we do not want to change the A1, we want, okay, no, I want A here itself. It should be absolute. But instead of that, I do not want to freeze the row. So if we try to drag down, this will change. See, A2, A3, A4. But if you want to try to move in column wise, it would be not changing. This would be always same. Here also, if you want to change, see, A is always constant. A will not change anywhere. So this is the reference. Reference is basically if we want to like get the data from a particular point of sales here itself. This is the reference. This is the reference. And reference is what make our Excel dynamic. Okay. So this is the basic, very main concept you should be knowing about it. If you have any question and query regarding it, just let me know in the comment box. That's it for today. You now understand how formulas and cell referencing work in Excel, a key skill for every analyst or student. In the next video, we will learn how to format, sort, and filter data to make your Excel sheet look cleaner and more professional. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DataNests, your space to learn Excel, Power BI, and analytics in the smart way. See you in the next.